Hi, my name is Chef Juman. I'm a house chef of Fanatic Kitchen Studio, and welcome to ChefChat. I decided in secondary school, when I had a teacher, she was actually fond of me because of how I worked, and she was my food and nutrition teacher at the time. And somehow I was like the top guy in the class, myself out of 3 guys, the rest of the class of girls, and somehow I was on the top, and cooking, it came to me just like that. She pushed me through the whole class. I ended up getting a good pass in the CXC results afterwards, and I moved on to TTHTI, and not knowing how the culinary industry would be, so I just got into it. I realized that, okay, food is very nice, the sky's the limit, but the work that put into it, it's very, very hard. So you have to have that mindset, you have to have that drive, that passion. So what drives me? The ingredients. The ingredients, everywhere I go, I see something new. Something that I never heard of, something that someone you knew about this years ago and it came back, seasonal things, a lot of different things you see out there that drives me to like, okay, how would I integrate this into a dish? You know, you practice and you practice and you practice, and then you try it out with someone that they love it because of the way you do it, not of the way someone else do it, or because of you do it and it makes you feel good. So, you know, that passion and that motivation that keeps pushing you, and you know, it inspires you to push forward and just to keep looking, and you know, it's something that I get accustomed to as well. So, you know, it always in my mind to keep looking and seeing what motivates me throughout my career. You meet a lot of different people in the industry, whether it's local or foreign, and the kind of things you learn from them. I mean, there's no point in looking for another career, because I mean, everything is in this career, because you learn not only to cut vegetables, not only to clean proteins, but you learn how to talk to people. You learn how to work with people. I mean, yes, it have some the ups and downs, but it's up to you to find that center and work around it. Fanatic actually was there for me to get funding to go to class and to pay for class and stuff like that. And right after I graduated and got my certificate and whatnot, Fanatic opened their doors so wide for me that I end up being here for a good bit of years and experiencing a lot of different things, doing demos, talking to chefs, talking to a lot of new people, cooking while interacting with people, and that is one thing that actually stands out to being a chef. And it's not something that you always do or always see, because you know, there's always a big wall in between the kitchen and the dining area. So it's very, very unique that Fanatic Kitchen Studio, we do those kind of things, and a lot of chefs who come to work here, they're actually intrigued by that, and it actually motivates them and inspires them to actually do better things and try new things, do their research on how to present, how to talk to people, how to do demos, how to work, stirring a pot, frying up some chicken, and talking to people, explaining to them the process from start to finish. What we started off with in culinary school, we started off with the basics, and the basics are French inspired. So everything have something to do with French in it. The culinary terms, some of the food, some of wines, a lot of different things includes French. So we utilize a lot of different French techniques at the beginning. So it's up to you to find out what else are out there. Local cuisine, Indian cuisine, Middle Eastern cuisine. So you have to actually see what is out there in terms of local and international. Try to do your research and find out what is different between the local and the international vegetables and so forth, and see how they work. One of my challenges leaving TTHTI and coming into the industry is that I thought, you know, you come up with a kind of one mind kind of thing. The restaurant world would be, you know, be having one menu throughout, and you keep doing the same thing over and over and over. I kind of get bored very easily, so those kind of things would have thrown me off. And the learning experience on that. Yes, you're doing the same thing over and over. You could master that particular thing, but the learning experience, you might have to try to do something else, utilize different ingredients to learn more. Yes, they change menus, but not as often. So here in Fanatic, we change menus all the time. Literally, if we have 5 events per week, we would have 5 different menus, 5 completely different items. So you learn. So it's up to you to go and do that research, understand the ingredients, understand the methods, understand all the aspects of the menu for you to execute it properly. Getting that inspiration to take your knowledge and actually share it with younger chefs. That is another really big part of being a chef. Because I was like that too as well. I mean, I was behind a couple of chefs, just absorbing that knowledge. So now it's time, I mean, yes, I'm absorbing a lot more, but now it's time for me to pass on that knowledge to the younger chefs and continue absorbing, of course.